Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AutoCAD. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw electrical double socket as shown on screen. So I draw this one and I just write all the dimensions here. We will start first with the outline. These are the one rectangle which will be 146 by 86. So we'll start with this. We will keep this one side and we will start our drawing from here. 146 by 86. Okay, now we will exclude that because we need to take some offset from side. You can see here, first we will draw this point. It is from outline to here it is 8 units, and from here to here it is 13 units. So we will take offset. First one is 8 unit, and again one more offset with 13 units. Okay, from top you can see it is 9 units, and like this it is 26 units. So we'll take one more offset from top, will be 9 units, and another one with 26 unit. We'll do some trimming to clear the screen. Okay, now we'll go to this part. You can see from here this one is 31 units, and this uh, rectangle it is 9 by 5. So first I will take one offset with 31 unit from here to here, and again one more offset with 9 unit, and from bottom to top it this point, this from bottom to here it is 25 unit. We'll take one offset from bottom line 25, and another offset which will be 5 unit. Again we will trim these lines which is not required. Okay, now you can see from here between these two terminal it is 11 unit distance. So simply I will draw one line from this midpoint with 11 units, and I will copy this from this base point and I'll paste it here. Now this one you can see it is 31 unit, or from here we will take it, it is 13 units from here to here, and it is in the middle of these two terminals. So again I will draw one line which is 13 units, and you can see it is from this top to this bottom it is 13 units. So I need to move this line from here to top, and size of this rectangle is 5 by 10. So I will draw one rectangle which will be 5 by 10, and I will move that with this midpoint to here. So I will delete this. We are almost ready, and you can see this for screw we have one slot. Okay, that's full diameter of the circle is 8. So we'll draw one circle here near close to that, which will be with radius of 4. Okay, now for realistic view I will just make one line here like this, and we will take offset from here with 1 unit, or sorry 0.2, and I will take one to left and one to right side. Now delete the middle line. Okay, here also you can see we have like this curve show, so we will take that one, but let's do some finishing job here with the fillet. We need to fillet this, but you can see we have the radius for this is 10 units. So we will do fillet if multiple and radius I will give 10. So we'll click here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here also, and again here I will make this one again fillet, again multiple, and radius I will give here 3 for this to do trimming the fillet here. Okay, to do this realistic shape, so just we will copy this point, this line with some certain distance, so we will take it from here up to there. Okay, and we will do some hatching, so let's hatch this with solid here, and again one more also here for a screw location. Okay, so you can see our socket is almost ready, and for finally we will take here this one as a mirror, mi for mirror, from this midpoint to this midpoint. So you can see our socket is ready. Later on you can also check the dimension. I hope you like this video. If you like, please follow me for more AutoCAD tutorial. Thank you.